Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson.
So first sentence is he is my bosom friend. He is my bosom friend. वो मेरा जिगरी दोस्त है. Second, he often comes home at dead of night. He often comes home at dead of night. वो अक्सर आधी रात को घर आता है. 3. Rise and shine dear mom. Rise and shine dear mom. सुबह बखैर प्यारी अम्मी जान. 4. Nighty night dear father. Nighty night dear father. शब बखैर प्यारे अब्बा जान. 5. I know him well. I know him well. मैं उसको अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. 6. Don't vex me. Don't vex me. मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ. 7. He just went out. He just went out. वो अभी बाहर गया है. 8. This is sin. This is sin. और it is sin. ये गुनाह है. 9. The glass shattered into pieces. The glass shattered into pieces. कांच के टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गए. The last one is 10. I was born in April. I was born in April. मैं अप्रैल में पैदा हुआ था.
So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.